Motorhead Garage, presented by Top Coat, is brought to you by Stage 8 Fasteners, home of the world's best locking hitter bolt. Locking kits now available for all turbo applications. Go to stage8.com. Mike Lau Racing Engines, performance machine shop, parts supplier, and professional engine builder. Neil Chance Converters, home of the world's fastest automatic door slammers. And by NH Oil Undercoating, the official oil-based rust prevention system.
You know, I love hosting Motorhead Garage presented by Top Coat because I get inspired by a lot of the inventions that come through here, and nothing's more inspiring than AP Lazer, except maybe my old buddy John Gardner.
You know I'm standing next to the AP Lazer, but you know, it doesn't look like the old AP Lazer we used to have. That's because it's not. It's a new sleek design, and you really can't even hear it. It's so quiet. But before we get to some of the new features, rest assured it's still the great AP Lazer we all come to know and love. It's got the open architecture down here design where you can virtually engrave anything. Anything's going to fit underneath of it. Some of the new features, well, it's got an actual new program in it, and that's amazing within itself because the old program was very user-friendly. I mean, you didn't have to be a rocket scientist to use it, and that's a good thing because nobody ever accused Dave and I of being a rocket scientist. Also has a power pack on the back that's new and improved. That's going to allow it to cut more efficiently and engrave more efficiently as it's going through it. Also a feature, if it stops at any time or for any reason, it's going to restart right in the middle of the program, and that's huge because that's a big time saver. Also on the machine, on the tray below, you have a removable top portion that actually allows the debris to fall down in the machine, and then that causes easier and more efficient engraving for the utmost accuracy when it comes to engraving. Now, two things come to mind. The versatility, man, we did stainless steel cups, tires, glass, all kinds of things it engraves. But more importantly, I'm happy to see that the American dream's alive and well. Man, what a better way to start a business. And Dave's over with an entrepreneur right now.
Bonnie, you've brought an incredible array of things you've done with your business, and you've been at this for about 2 years or so, right?
That's correct. About 2 years ago, we purchased our AP Lazer. We were interested in a small hobby laser to begin with, and after doing some research, I discovered that really AP Lazer was head and shoulders above the competition as far as the versatility of their lasers.
Yeah, what were some of the other things that set them apart?
Well, the main thing is they have a open architecture, so you can actually roll out the bottom of the machine and put in large items like the table that I did, so that you're not limited by, you know, a box like a lot of the other lasers are.
And one of the things that I hear from people is that the support you get from AP Lazer is second to none.
That is correct. They are amazing. 24/7 technical support. They can help you with the software programs, the machine itself, anything at all. They can remote in, and if you're having trouble with something on your computer, and actually walk you through it. We also have a fantastic Facebook group that once you purchase an AP Lazer, you are part of that group, and everybody is so wonderful. They're so helpful. We have some super users, as I call them, Chris and Matthew, and they are always right there for anybody that's new, helping them with the very littlest things to the most complicated things.
And it's not just the operation of the machine, but the particular mechanical functions, but you look at the array of things you've done here. You have slate, you have wood, and you have the metal that's used on these mugs and glass and all kinds of things that you can do. When you have the support from AP Lazer, they're taking the guesswork away when you get new material, right?
That is correct. If I decide to do a new material and I'm unfamiliar with it, I can give them a call and they can give me some starting speeds and powers that I can experiment with on that new item. And usually you have success in a very short time.
This is not what you do full time. This is something you did start out with as a part-time deal. But how are you going to use this with your husband, Bill, going into the future?
Well, we purposely bought this machine to help supplement our retirement. Fortunately, I just retired a month ago.
Congratulations.
And thank you. And so I'm able to now really have fun every day because it's so much fun to be creative in making these things.
Very cool. Now, AP Lazer made it easy for you to buy one of these as well. They finance, right?
That's correct. They have a financing program, and so we're able to finance the machine through them. And we have it set up in our garage. And so we just, any time, day or night, if we want to go play on the Lazer, we can do it. It's an easy operation. You can easily set it up in your garage.
Well, I'm convinced, and every time AP Lazer comes into the studio, I want to buy one, so I'm going to hit the web, and you should hit their website too, aplazer.com. That is going to wrap it up for Motorhead Garage. We thank you for tuning in, and if you've got something you want to see featured on our show, be sure to email jeff@masterstv.com. We'll see you next time on Motorhead Garage, presented by Top Coat.